Ever wondered about the remarkable journey of millions of bananas from farm to table? Today, we'll delve into the intriguing process of banana harvesting and processing, spotlighting the cutting-edge cableway technology that ensures this journey is both efficient and impactful. Advancements in tissue culture techniques. In modern banana plantations, tissue culture techniques are employed to propagate new plants. This method involves growing banana plants from small tissue samples in laboratory settings, ensuring disease-free plants and consistent banana quality. Innovative methods like raised beds and precision farming are revolutionizing banana cultivation. These approaches enhance soil drainage, minimize waterlogging, and optimize resource utilization. Techniques such as drip irrigation and soil conditioning play vital roles in maintaining plant health and maximizing productivity. Continuous research in banana cultivation focuses on developing new varieties resistant to diseases and pests. Breeding programs aim to enhance yield, flavor, and shelf life, ensuring a diverse and stable banana supply to meet market demands. Biosecurity protocols are crucial in preventing the introduction and spread of pests and diseases in banana farms. Farms implement rigorous monitoring and management strategies. Crop protection methods, including organic pesticides and integrated pest management, safeguard banana plants from harmful insects and diseases. The journey starts in expansive banana plantations, where skilled workers meticulously handpick ripe bananas. Each bunch is carefully selected to ensure only the highest quality fruit is harvested. Using sharp machetes, workers expertly cut banana stems, releasing heavy bunches. To prevent bruising, bunches are gently lowered onto cushioned pads. This meticulous handling is essential as bruised bananas can spoil quickly, affecting overall harvest quality. Highly trained workers efficiently cover large plantation areas, selectively harvesting only perfectly ripe bananas. This ensures peak flavor and texture. After harvesting, banana bunches are gathered and readied for transportation. After harvesting, bananas must be transported from the fields to the processing plant. And this is where cableway technology proves invaluable. Cableway systems utilize overhead cables to move bananas swiftly and efficiently. Special carriers or gondolas are attached to these cables, each designed to securely hold a bunch of bananas during transit. Banana bunches are carefully loaded onto these carriers, and the cableway system glides smoothly, reducing manual labor and minimizing the risk of damage. This method is significantly faster than traditional transportation methods and helps maintain the banana's quality. Cableway technology not only accelerates the transportation process, but also ensures the fruit remains in excellent condition. By gently and efficiently moving the bananas, it guarantees they arrive at the processing plant fresh and ready for the next stages. In the following section, we'll delve into the processing plant and see how the bananas are prepared for further processing. Upon arrival at the processing plant, bananas are unloaded from the cableway carriers and carefully inspected. This inspection is vital to ensure that only the highest quality bananas proceed through the processing line. The bananas are placed on a conveyor belt, where workers check for any signs of damage or overripeness. Damaged or overripe bananas are removed and discarded to maintain the overall quality of the fruit. Following the inspection, the bananas are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt, pesticides, or residues from the fields. This step ensures the bananas are clean and prepared for the subsequent stages of processing. After washing, the bananas are sorted by size and ripeness, setting the stage for efficient sorting and packaging. Once the bananas arrive at the processing facility, the first step is sorting. Here, the bananas are separated based on size and ripeness. This helps ensure that only the best bananas are used for making chips. After sorting, the bananas are thoroughly washed. This step is crucial to remove any dirt, dust, or residues from the bananas. They go through a series of water baths and are carefully scrubbed to make sure they're clean. This cleaning process helps in preparing the bananas for the next steps in the production line, ensuring they are fresh and ready for ripening. After cleaning, the bananas move to the ripening rooms. Here, they are placed in controlled environments where temperature and humidity are carefully monitored. This helps the bananas reach the perfect level of ripeness. The ripening process is crucial because it affects the flavor and texture of the bananas. They stay in these rooms until they turn the right shade of yellow and become soft enough for slicing. Once the bananas are perfectly ripened, they're ready for the next stage in the processing journey. Next, the ripened bananas are moved to the slicing machines. These machines cut the bananas into thin, even slices. The uniform thickness of the slices is important to ensure they cook evenly. Once sliced, the banana pieces are taken to the frying stations. Here, the slices are fried in large industrial fryers filled with hot oil. The slices are cooked until they become golden and crispy. This process is carefully monitored to make sure each chip reaches the perfect level of crunchiness without burning. Some banana slices are seasoned before frying, adding extra flavors like salt, spices, or sweet coatings. The seasoned slices are then fried just like the plain ones, resulting in a variety of tasty banana chips. After frying, the chips are placed on racks to cool. This step helps remove excess oil and allows the chips to become even crispier. Once cooled, the chips are ready for packaging. After frying, the chips are placed on racks to cool. This step helps remove excess oil and allows the chips to become even crispier. Once cooled, the chips are ready for packaging. Finally, the cooked banana chips are cooled and packaged. They are placed in bags that are sealed to keep them fresh and crispy. The packaging process is designed to ensure that the chips remain tasty and crunchy until they reach your snack shelf. After the bananas are carefully packed and sealed in the factory, they are prepared for distribution to ensure they reach consumers in optimal condition. Distribution involves a series of steps to maintain the quality and freshness of the bananas as they travel from the factory to retail outlets. The bananas are loaded into refrigerated transport vehicles to keep them at the right temperature. This helps prevent ripening and spoilage during transit. The distribution network is designed to be efficient and reliable, ensuring that bananas are delivered swiftly to various markets, grocery stores, and export destinations. The journey of a banana from farm to table highlights the excellence of modern agriculture and technology. From the expert harvesting in the fields to the cutting-edge cableway systems used for transportation, every step is meticulously designed to handle the bananas with utmost care and efficiency. The thorough processing and rigorous quality control ensure that only the finest bananas reach consumers. Thanks to these advanced practices, we can savor fresh, top-quality bananas throughout the year. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at banana harvesting and processing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support enables us to continue sharing fascinating insights into food production and technology. Stay tuned for more exciting content.